This 2023 Coachmen Apex Nano 213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, spare tire kit, microwave, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Apex Nano 213 is 3,826 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.